Friends, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can very easily find out a person's phone number in the Telegram app. Please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, and also write your comments. So, let us get started with you. First, we're going to open up the Telegram app. And then we'll need to find the person whose number you want to get. Then you'll need to click on their name, their username at the top. And here, as you can see, there's information about the person, which includes their phone number. If the person has not hidden his phone number, then you will see it. If the person has hidden his phone number, then when you go to this page, unfortunately, you will not find the phone number. So what can you do with that phone number? Well, if you click on it, there are a couple of functions, as you can see. The first is to make a call in Telegram, also a video call in Telegram, a regular call through your mobile device, and you can also copy this number to, for example, add it to your contacts, or to make a call, or send it to someone. This is a very simple method to find out your Telegram phone number. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to put your likes, don't forget to write comments and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.